Hello friends, welcome you again. I am Tanzil Hasan with you. In the previous episode we saw that in order to be a successful YouTuber we need to know about 15 things. Today we will discuss the first 3 topics from there. We had 3 in the first issue. How to open a professional YouTube channel. How to customize YouTube channel. Video topic selection. You must have a YouTube channel to make money from YouTube. To open a YouTube channel, you first need to have a Gmail account. I hope you have a Gmail account. To open a YouTube account we will first go to our computer screen. We will open any browser from our computer. I am opening Google Chrome browser. You can open any browser you like. Now we go to www.youtube.com. To create a YouTube account, we must first sign in to YouTube. So we will click on Sign In. After clicking on Sign In, we will go to the Sign In page. Here we need to sign in to YouTube with our Gmail account. I am using here in my Gmail account. And you will use your Gmail account here, with the Gmail account you want to make the account in YouTube. After entering the Gmail address here, I will click on Next. And here we will use our Gmail password, then we will click on Next again. We have signed in. We have moved to the home page of YouTube. So now we have to create a channel on YouTube. To open an account we need to click on this icon at the top right. From here we can create channels from both Create a Channel and YouTube Studio. From here we will click on YouTube Studio, because we will be able to customize our channel later from YouTube Studio. You will then see an interface like this. Enter the name of your YouTube channel here. You can choose any name you like. You will try to name the channel, related to the topic on which you will create the video. I am creating an earnings-related channel, for example, and I am naming my channel, Earn Money with Tanzil. You can change the channel name later if you wish. So you name the channel according to your topic. Here you can see another option, Upload Picture. We will upload the picture after the channel create. Now we will click directly on the Create Channel. Our YouTube channel has been created, and we can see YouTube Studio. Now we will go to our second topic. Now we will see how we can customize our YouTube channel. From here we will scroll down and see an option called Customize, and we will click on the Customize option and we will see this type of interface in front of us. There are 3 options. First there is Layout, then there is Branding, then there is Basic Information. We will first go to the Basic Information. We need to add a description of our channel from Basic Information. We will put various information related to the type of video that we will upload in our channel in the description. This means our viewers will see this description when they visit our channel. So we will put the information related to our topic here, so that viewers can understand what videos are uploaded to our channel. I have written a description and I am giving it here. Secondly, we can see the channel URL. This is our channel URL, so you can browse our channel by browsing it. After that we see an option called Add Link. With this we can add the link of our social media and website on YouTube. I am adding the link of my Facebook account here. You can add the link of any of your social media or website here. To add the link we have to click on the Add Link, and in the place of the title we will give the name of the platform, as I give here Facebook. Then we will copy and paste the link on our Facebook. Then add the link to our Facebook. Done. Then select the number of links you want to add from the following options. Since I am adding a link, I will select one. You will then enter your email address here. You can use any email address here if you want. I would say that the email address that you always use will be the email address you use here. I am giving my email address here and publishing Basic Information. This time we will go to Branding. Branding is an important part of channel customization. Here we see 3 options. Picture means that the logo or picture we see when we enter a channel is a channel picture. So we will upload our channel picture, but before that one thing we need to keep in mind here is what YouTube is saying. It's recommended that you use a picture that's at least 98 by 98 pixels and 4 megabytes or less. Use a PNG or GIF file. I have already fixed a picture for my channel. You can upload your channel profile picture to your liking. You can set it as your position. So I want to keep that much from my profile picture. Once the position of the profile picture is fixed, we will click on Done. Then there is the banner image. For the banner image, you can create a banner image of your choice and upload it. Although the size is a bit big, then you can upload the banner image of your choice from here. For the best banner image results on all devices, use an image that's at least 2048 x 1152 pixels and 6 megabytes or less. I have already created a banner image and I am uploading it here. Now being the watermark. Many times during the video we see videos from many channels, the watermark on the bottom right side of the video. Again, many do not use watermarks, but we will use the watermark. To use the watermark, I will go to Google and search YouTube watermark PNG. We will download a PNG watermark of subscribe now and we will upload it when we come to watermark. You can use anything in this watermark if you want. You can even use your logo. If you want, you can put it at the beginning of the video. If you want, you can put it in one of the videos from a certain time. If you want, you can put it at the end of the video. We will check our branding once again before we publish it. We will publish it now if everything is okay. Now we move on to the layout option. The layout option is basically the setting after uploading the video. We'll fix our layout after we upload some videos to our channel. Before I talk about layout, layout means you can upload a trailer video for your channel, where you can upload a trailer video differently for those who haven't subscribed to your channel and those who have. Now we will go to the setting option to fix some advanced settings of our channel. From here we will set our currency. I am keeping my currency in US dollars. You will also keep your currency in US dollars. Now we go to the channel setting. After going to the channel, we will first select our country. Since I am looking for the channel from Bangladesh, I will select Bangladesh. Enter the country from which you are opening the channel. Select here in the country where you live. Then we will go to channel keywords. Channel keyword means that, when a visitor searches by typing keywords to find your channel and finds your channel. We will use a website for channel keywords. We will go to our browser and type rapidtags.io. After entering the website, we will type the main topic of our channel here and click on its search. Then we will get our desired keywords. For example, since I am opening an earnings-related channel, I will search for earn money online. Then we will copy our desired keywords from here. We will paste these keywords in our channel keywords. We will be able to use a total of 500 words here. The keywords and currency of our channel have been fixed. We will now move to advanced settings. Here we can see the audience. If you want to make videos for kids on your channel, click on Yes, set this channel as made for kids. I always upload content that's made for children. If you do not want to make videos for kids, click on No, set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for children. Also, if you want, every time you upload a video, you select it, then click on I want to review this setting for every video. Since I will not do videos for kids, I have selected No, set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for children. Then Google Ad account linking. Since we don't have a Google Ad account, we will add it later. Then automatic caption. Since we don't need automatic caption, we will keep it unchecked. Now subscriber count. Since it is our new channel, so we want to hide our subscriber count, so we will keep it unchecked. If you want to keep your subscriber visible, then you can enable it. Now advertisement. We want any kind of ads to be shown on our channel, so we will keep it unchecked. Then we move on to features eligibility. By default feature we can do these things. But if we do phone verification, then we will get some new features. We can upload videos longer than 15 minutes. We can upload custom thumbnails. We can do live streaming. And we can do appeal content ID claims. We will now go to phone number verification. For phone number verification, we will click on Verify Phone Number option. After clicking, we will go to such a page. They will send a code number to our phone for verification. If you want to take it through text, then you will select text option. And if you want to take it through voice message, then you will select voice message option. I want to take through the text, so I selected the text option. You will select at your convenience. Then you will select your country. Since I am from Bangladesh, I have selected Bangladesh. Before giving the phone number, you give your country code. Then give your phone number. I am giving my country code and phone number here. The phone number must be open because this number will be a 6-digit code, and that code must be submitted here. We will now click on the Get Code for the code number. We have a 6-digit code number on our phone. We will put it here and I will click on the submit button. Our phone number has been verified. Now we can use the following features of phone number verification. Now we will click on Save button and finish customizing our channel. Now we will discuss our number 3 topic. Our number 3 topic is video topic selection. The matter of video topic selection is very simple. You can make videos on topics that you are good at. This means making videos on topics that people can learn or have fun with. Make a video with this topic so that you can show your best. So far today, join my next video to learn more about the things that make money from YouTube. Thank you so much for watching the video.